Researchers at Stanford University in Palo Alto, California, are developing a filter that rapidly kills bacteria in water. At least 1 billion people in the world lack access to clean water. The researchers hope their filter will be used in the developing world. Its main advantages are speed and low power requirements.
The process is really simple. So we can start off with just 2 inks. So this is carbon nanotube ink on the side, and then we've got silver nanowire ink over here, and this one's in water, and this is just in methanol. So then we can make the filter. It's just a 2-step process. So you can see here that we can just apply the ink like you might any dye, and it turns the fabric black. But also we get a significant amount of carbon nanotubes that are going to be deposited, and as the water dries, the nanotubes are actually going to be pulled tight to the cotton fibers. Then we pull it out. You can see it's black now, and its electrical resistivity at this point will be about 100 ohms per square. So then normally we take this out and we actually dry it off completely on a hot plate. The process will be almost exactly the same for the silver nanowires. We're going to put the ink on, and then if we were making a real filter, we'd dry it off on a hot plate. So I have here several filters that you can see that we've made that are different. And so this filter has just been treated with the carbon nanotubes. And you can see it looks black after drying. And this one has just been treated with silver. And so you can see it's kind of gray looking. And the silvers don't wrap around the cotton fibers because they're too big. So the overall resistivity of this is actually much bigger than the hybrid filter, so it doesn't work as well for the water treatment process. And so the hybrid filter here, you can see, is mostly black, but if you look closely, it's actually grayer than the just carbon filter. Okay. So once we've taken the filter, we actually, for our laboratory setup, we just take the filter and kind of roll it into a little piece like this. That's actually a 2.5 centimeter, or about a 1 square inch piece of cotton. And we can just kind of stuff it in this glass funnel here. And then when you get the filter, is now a slug of material in the glass tube. The laboratory setup is actually quite simple. We just have a counter electrode here that we hold at ground, and then we use the other alligator clip to connect to the filter down there. And then we can apply between these 2 electrodes a voltage, and we need about 20 volts for this setup. We just take the water solution and we connect these to an electrical power source, and then we can just pour the water through, and you can see that it's going to first it's going to hydrate the filter, and then it'll run down.